Today, we will be showing you how to correctly remove your blind from the brackets, replace the chain mechanism, and reinstall your blind successfully. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new chain mechanism supplied by Lovelight. To get you familiar with our product, here is a chain tensioner, chain mechanism, and a pin end, or idle end of the blind. Unscrew the chain tensioner from the wall, then release and unclip the chain. Using a flathead screwdriver or any other flat utensil, whilst holding the blind up with your other hand, push the pin end away from the bracket, compressing the pin. Gently lift the blind away from the chain mechanism bracket. Now, replace the new chain mechanism supplied by Lovelight by inserting it into the tube. Your blind is now ready to be reinstalled. Reinstall your blind by clicking it back into the chain mechanism side bracket first. Please ensure the chain is not tangled and hanging straight down. Then, by compressing the pin end of the blind, insert back into the pin side bracket. Resecure the chain tensioner. Well done! You have successfully reinstalled your blind.